Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show the recipe of egg fried rice. This is my son's recipe. I'm showing how he makes egg fried rice at home. Take a pan and turn on the heat. So put little bit oil here, around 2 tablespoons. Let it heat. Oil is heated, so now add onions, chopped onions. Cook saute onions for around 5 minutes. Now add 2 garlic and 1 green chilli to it. So put it there. Yeah, in the middle. Okay. So crack the eggs in the middle. Just put all the cooked onions aside like this, and eggs in the middle. I'm taking 3 eggs. This is for one serving. Oh, it's okay. Put it there. Yeah. One more. One more. Perfect. Now let it cook. Now add little bit seasoning to it. We are adding little pepper and salt to taste. Paprika. Okay. Adding little paprika. And mixed spices. We are adding that too. Now mix the eggs. Yeah, like that. Perfect. So now adding little bit of tasting salt. Add it. Perfect. So now ready to add rice to this one. So now add cooked rice to this one. I'm taking around 1 cup of cooked rice. And mix it well. So now add soya sauce to this one. Soya sauce, we are adding soya sauce. And mix it well. Adding little bit chili oil, red chili oil, just for the taste, flavor. Yeah, 2 teaspoons we are adding. Yeah. And so take it to the serving bowl. Our egg fried rice is ready. Very, very hot and ready to eat. And try it. Now it's tasting time. Yummy. You all should try this. Very simple one. You can teach to your kids. They can make it by themselves, you know. So it came very good, Sinead. I like it. Thank you so much. Hope you all like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching. Bye.